Hello everyone, my name is Lunga Kanyile from FX. I want to quickly show you the trading opportunity on Euro against New Zealand dollar. As you can see, I'm on daily chart. The price has been struggling to push beyond this area, which is my support. Let me just quickly go to 4-hour chart. So you can see what made me say this is a good trading opportunity. We were on our daily chart before, so right now I'm on a 4-hour chart. As we just reached our support, strong support, I was expecting the price to make a reversal here, so I was waiting for a price action to give me something interesting, like maybe breaking this trend line or forming a reversal structure right there on smaller time frame, like 1 hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, and yet it happened as expected. So right there you can see my descending trend line. I've marked it in red. So the market pushed higher and break my descending trend line, and we are expecting the retest right there, and it happened. So right now the market is still trading above our 0.23 Fibonacci retracement line. I've already entered this position right there, so but still you can enter right there. I'm not sure if we're gonna get an ABC correction before a continuation upward, but just entered already, so I might also have to enter another position right there. But if I do find something interesting with my targets right there on 1.7132, so please take advantage of this trade. That's it for now. I'm Lunga Kanyile from FX. See you again next time. Thank you. Bye.